we're going to explain how to fix the expected indented block error in Pylance for Python within VSCode. This error is incredibly common, especially for beginners, and usually boils down to a simple mistake in your code's formatting. Python relies heavily on indentation to define code blocks, unlike many other languages that use brackets. Let's look at the most frequent causes and solutions. 1. Incorrect indentation. This is the most likely culprit. Python uses 4 spaces or a tab, but spaces are strongly recommended to indicate a new code block. If you have inconsistent indentation, mixing tabs and spaces, or using a different number of spaces, Pylance will throw the error. The solution is simple. Ensure every line within a code block, like a loop, function definition, or conditional statement, starts with exactly 4 spaces. Check for this carefully, especially around if, elif, else, for, while, def, and class statements. Use your editor's formatting tools. Most editors have auto-indent features that can help correct inconsistent indentation. 2. Missing colon. Python requires a colon at the end of lines that introduce a new code block. For instance, if condition, or def my underscore function. Forgetting the colon is a common mistake leading to the indented block error. If you're getting this error, review your code to make sure colons are present where needed. 3. Incorrect use of tabs and spaces. Mixing tabs and spaces is a recipe for disaster. Python's interpreter may interpret tabs differently depending on your system's settings. This inconsistent interpretation often results in indentation errors. The best practice is to always use 4 spaces for indentation, consistently throughout your entire project. You can configure your VS Code settings to automatically convert tabs to spaces to prevent this. Go to File Preferences Settings, search for tab size, and set it to 4. Also, make sure Insert Spaces is checked under tab size. 4. Unmatched parentheses, brackets, or braces. While not directly causing the indented block error, unmatched parentheses, square brackets, or curly braces can lead to unexpected behavior and often indirectly trigger this error message. Carefully check for matching pairs to ensure your code's structure is correct. Many editors will highlight matching brackets, helping you quickly spot any issues. 5. Pylance configuration. In rare cases, a problem within Pylance's configuration might lead to inaccurate error reporting. Try disabling and re-enabling the extension, or restarting VS Code. If the problem persists, you can try checking for any Pylance-related settings in your VS Code settings, file preferences settings, that could be affecting indentation. Remember, careful attention to detail is crucial in Python. Double-check your indentation, colons, and brackets to quickly resolve this common error. Consistent use of 4 spaces for indentation is highly recommended for avoiding future problems. If you have followed all the steps and still encounter the error, provide the specific code snippet so that we can have a look at it.